Alright guys, welcome to another YouTube video. I'm Nikal. Welcome to Home and Garden Fix and Tricks. Alright guys, if you are new to the channel, please, I'm asking you, please hit that subscribe button and subscribe and become a supporter of my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, I say thanks to you, because this video and videos like these are made possible by subscribers like you. Alright, so welcome to my channel. My channel is about home and garden videos, but from time to time we will do other videos. And on a Monday we have a new series called Mechanic Monday, where I do auto mechanic videos. I fix my cars, and I also fix simple machines around the house. So welcome to my channel, and I hope you like the content, and if you do, please subscribe and become a supporter. All right, so in this video I'm going to go through a little update in my garden, and I also going to talk about a colleague of mine that is experiencing a joint disease. And we at the Teachers School in high school want to do something for him, because he was also an employee there, but he was medical boarded. So we want to do something for our colleague, Mr. Foster. You hear me talk about him all the time in my videos, because he's a person that does YouTube as well, and he also does gardening on his YouTube channel. So two things we're going to look at. We're going to give you an update on the garden, and we're going to talk about Mr. Foster. Guys, I must tell you that I actually shoot this video already, and edit it and everything, and ready to save. And when I ready to save, the device said to me that you don't have enough space. So I went ahead and I delete some things, and I accidentally deleted the video. So I lost everything. So this is like the second time I'm doing this video. Alright, devil is in it, but trust me, he will not win this morning. He will not win. Amen. He will not win. Alright, so let us start down here. Show you the callaloo. Guys, these callaloos, I didn't plant them. I planted the set before, and they drop seed, and these grow from seeds. So we have a very lovely bunch of callaloo here, right, in these two containers, these two tiles. Right, we have around 6 over here and around 8 plants over here. They're very nice, guys. And I said to you, remember that to ensure that you scout your garden and look for pests and disease. Right, very good plants here. Right, this is the first time you guys are seeing these, because I never showed them on the channel, so these are new. I will go up top here now and we'll look at the peppers. These are the sweet peppers that I saw some time ago. I got them from a subscriber overseas. They're called Scholar Spectrum. They are the long elongated type of sweet pepper. Right, we have some hot pepper there. We have pumpkin. And guys, these are ready to be transplanted. And if you want to know when they are ready, as long as they have two sets or 2 pairs of true leaves. Right, these are called seed leaves. The ones at the bottom here are embryonic leaves, and these are the true leaves, meaning that these are the leaves that the plant will have for the rest of its life. These are the leaves that can photosynthesize and make food and so forth. These are true leaves. They come out of the embryo, so they will fall off after a while. So as soon as you have 2 sets, which is 1 pair, 2 pair, you can transplant them. These have 3 pairs or 6 leaves in total, so these are ready to be transplanted. They are hard and ready to go out in the field to plant. This is a pumpkin that Roots Girl Chin plant. See it run away there. These are the callaloo that we cut from the last time. If you want to see a video, go back. Roots Girl Chin actually cut these for breakfast. Right, when she cut there, so they can cut again, guys. But we make breakfast already, so we're not going to cut them this morning. So we can do this in the week. This is the pepper tree, guys. They are ripening up like crazy. See them there? We have a lot of pepper, guys. They are ripening. See it? So that's the pepper. Over here we have pop chai. We have more pop chai. So we're going to cut pop chai and callaloo in the week, maybe for dinner, for breakfast. We don't know. We have the tomato. So the tomato there, it's bearing now, it's blooming. See there? We have the watermelon. And if you remember, sometime I did a video how to hand pollinate your watermelon. Go and check that out. I'm going to put the link up in the description, or we're going to put it in the cards. Alright. So remember this one, guys, that I hand pollinated for you. That one is drying off. It's drying off. See there? It's drying off. I'm going to tell you why the plant does that. Alright. But see another one here. Look at it. This one is nice and big. So that one is also unpollinated. But what happened, guys, sometimes the vine cannot manage more than 1 or 2 so it abort, right? So that one was aborted. You can see it actually was growing, but it stopped, so it was aborted. This one also was aborted, right? And so we have a couple stink bug here. I want to remove them. See them here? Step on it and just kill them. Remember to scout. When you see disease or when you see insects, remove them by hand. Safer than to use chemical, right? So I'm just killing them. That's the best insecticide. It's safe and it's environmentally friendly. Just use my feet to stamp them. Understand? A stink bug will carry viral disease. So we have to get rid of them. So that's basically it. So we have a nice watermelon right here. See here? And the last time I tell you something, we had a watermelon. You can go back and look in the video catalog. Right exact place that vine bear one fruit last time. And so we get back one right here. So that's a blessing. Alright? So that's the watermelon. And as I say, that's the rest of the garden. Alright? So let us talk about Mr. Foster now, guys. Mr. Foster is a colleague of mine. Right? Very young man, is in his 40s. Right? And he developed he's a teacher as well, right? So both of us used to work at the same. He used to work at my school, which is Station School in high school. So that's why I say he's a colleague of mine. So he was medical boarded because he came down with a disease that is called gout, right? I'm going to put up pictures so you can see. Not of Mr. Foster, but you can see the condition if you're not aware or familiar with it. Now, gout is the swelling of the joint, and it caused Mr. Foster joint all over his body to swell up, and so therefore he'd have to be using a wheelchair and can't really walk. Because of that, he was medically boarded, meaning that he was relieved of his position on the means of a medical condition to say that he cannot function effectively in the classroom. Now, that is something that I disagree with, but you know, it is what it is. The ministry and the school made their decision, and he's now at home. Because of Mr. Foster's condition, he cannot move around effectively. Well, he can move around because of a chair, but you know, him up on him 2 feet again. He's a very young man, same way, and he don't want to do certain things. And he really can't, you know, go do the things them way we really want to do. So what we are doing now is to raise funds to help Mr. Foster with his perimeter fencing. As I say, I have a YouTube channel, but you know, the goat and the dogs them go in his yard and mess up and bite up and damage him stuff. So I want to get some help with his perimeter fencing. Guys, I went ahead and I did the estimate already, and it is $86,000 to do one section. It is affordable because the uprights were already there. The pipes, it's a chain link fence that we are planning to do. So the uprights were there already. So it's just the chain link wire we want, and the top piece of the metal to go on the top, and some cement and gravel and so forth to anchor it to the base. Alright, so it's $86,000. But in total, I want to raise $186,000 because I want to not only help him with the side, but I want to also help him with the front. We are doing the side because he said that is the immediate need right now. So guys, the date that I'm looking at is the 24th of February. I want to go there and do it the 24th of February. As a staff, meaning that the staff of Station School want to buy the things, go there, and we are going to do the manual work to install it for him. So that is going to be like a day where we're going to just jam with Mr. Foster and we talk and we cook and we fix up the fence and so forth. So guys, why I'm telling you about this, if it is that you can contribute, it's the first time I'm asking for things on YouTube. I'm not that type of person, right? But I am doing it because we know that one cook a full basket, right? Well, that's how we are aiming towards 186,000. That's our target. If we get more, all the better, because there are other things that Mr. Foster will need assistance with. You understand me? But that is what I am shooting for now, right? As a staff, we are coming together. I already collected some money from people, right? Even persons who used to work there, they're no longer working there, but they are still friends of Mr. Foster. They are coming on board as well and assisting. My family members, quite a few of them, commit to also help, right? Me, I go help, not only in kind, right, by being there and working, but I'm going to give cash towards it as well. So this is something that I want to make a big thing out of, because I want to help Mr. Foster, and I want to also bring awareness to the condition. It's called gout. It's a swelling of the joint all over the body. It's an inflammation of the joint, basically. Right, so we want to help Mr. Foster in that regard. So guys, I'm saying that if you want to come on board and help him, please just reach out to me, right? And on the day, I will also big you up, you know, and also give Mr. Foster an opportunity to say thanks to you for your contribution. We know that it's a time where a lot of persons are scamming and going around and taking people money and I am not in that thing. I am a straight up guy. So if you really want to help, just reach out to me privately and help, whatever it is, even if it's 500 Jamaican dollars, whatever it is. If you have cement that you can give, we will take it. All right. If you have the cash, we will take it. Anything that you have that can assist Mr. Foster. Suppose you're a person who, a herbal person who know remedies that Mr. Foster can use to, alleviate the pain, because he's in pain most of the time. His joints swell up and so forth. So any help from Mr. Foster is going to be welcome. Mr. Foster also in need of a wheelchair. He have a wheelchair already, one of the powered one, but it is very heavy. So when him go on the road, to get it, him don't really have a lift, or him don't even have a motor car like with a lift to get him up in the car. You have to take up the chair manually and put it in the car. So it is very heavy. So him want a lighter one, the one that you can push, so that when he's going on the road, it can be a little bit more easy for him. So anybody who have any link with wheelchair can also reach out to me, and I'm going to put Mr. Foster's YouTube link up in the card, up on the screen right now, so you can go and check it out as well. And if you want to reach out to him personally, you can do that. Right, Mr. Foster is an educator of over 20 years, gives service to Jamaica government and the student and the children of Jamaica. So anyway we can help him, we're going to help him, guys. And as we said, the 24th of February we're going to go there and we're going to help him, and we're going to video it, and we're going to put it up and share it with you guys, and so that you can see what is going on. As I said, this is a re-video. This is actually not a re-upload, but I have to reshoot the video because I lost it. And maybe it's a blessing. Maybe it is a blessing, I don't know. But God is God, and he's in control all the time. I wasn't in the mood to do back the video, but I'm saying, you know what, I'm going to do it because of Mr. Foster. You understand me? Because can you imagine, you shoot the video, you edit the video, do everything, and then boom, it delete. So I say, boy, sure, to hell with it, because I have other things to do. But it is what it is, and here am I doing back the video again, guys. So as I said, if you want to reach out to me and help Mr. Foster, you can do so by email at omangardenfixandtricks@gmail.com. That's my email. Or if you want my personal email, it's NICHOL dot, as in the full stop, MCCALLA @gmail.com. So that's Nicol, my first name, NICHOL, period, full stop, then MCCALLA @gmail.com. Or if you want to reach out via the YouTube channel email, it's Oman Garden Fix and Tricks, no space. So it's Oman Garden Fix and Tricks, one word, no space, @gmail.com. Right? I'm not going to give out my telephone number on the internet just like that. So just email me and then we can take it from there, guys. Alright, it's a worthy cause, and as we say, it's no scam. Because I don't believe in them things. Right? And people have to be holding on dearly to their phones. You understand me, guys? So that is it. And as I said, if you're a new subscriber to the channel, big up Jaden, see him there right there. So alright. If you're a new viewer, not subscriber, please feel free to hit that subscribe button and to like the video and to share the video with your friends. And if you're a returning subscriber, please, thank you very much for your subscription, and continue to share the video and to comment and to like and to watch all my videos when I upload, guys. As I said, we do mechanic Mondays on a Monday, where I fix my cars. I show you how to fix your car and so forth, and how to fix simple machines around the house. I'm going to go to the back of the house now, my yard, and I'm going to show you a noni plant. I also heard that noni is good for gout. I'm going to put up the health benefits on the screen for you to see. So I'm going to show you. Mr. Foster also gave me that plant. Those fruits, noni fruits. So more than likely, he must have done some research on it and would have known the benefits. So let us just show you now the noni. So this is the noni, guys. This is the noni fruit, right? And you put them in the bag, right? It's 2 bags. One outer bag, which is this one here, and you have the inner bag, what contains the fruit, right? And you punch some hole in the inner bag so that when it drains, right, as it ages, it will drain the juice, and then you catch it in this outer bag. What I'm gonna do now, when this finish, around say 4 to 6 days after this finish drain, I'm gonna remove the outer bag, strain it, and then put the juice in a glass container and store it in the fridge, and you can use it in your juice. You can drink it just like that, right? It's very good. I'm going to put up all the health benefits. It is also good for the gout condition, right? So it's a very good fruit, and I got this from Mr. Foster. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like the video and if you want to help Mr. Foster, remember, reach out to me. And if you like the video, please click the like button, comment in the comment section, and subscribe if you are new to the channel. All right, so my lime tree here, guys, it is also bearing. It is not like 2 years old. I planted now. 2 years since I planted. It's like 2 feet tall and it's bearing. You don't believe me? Look at that. That's fruit. So I saw 2 fruits on my lime tree this morning, guys. I could not believe that the lime tree is bearing after just 2 years. So it goes to show it's important for you to plant. Right here is the June plum. It's doing well also, but it's not bearing as yet. The soursop, I've found a whole heap of soursop blossom, guys. See them there? A whole lot. See it? So that is that. So this is just an update and to bring awareness to Mr. Foster's condition and to ask for help for him. Ladies and gentlemen, please, big up on yourself. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.